Hello, so let's welcome to my second video on this channel. Today we're talking about the software I'm using quite a lot when I'm developing some new artwork, covers or design for my pages and even for my posts. So the software I want to demonstrate today is called Canva.com. Um, it's quite handy because you can use it for a lot of things. So first off, when you think of you have like this Photoshop editing software and other very expensive options you can choose, but with Canva.com you have it all for free, and you also have a paid version. But let's go to the paid version after I have shown you some of the presentation. So first off, when you log in, so first you have to create a free account on Canva.com. And once you sign in, you get presented with this screen here. So you have the option to choose from different templates where you have, for example, Instagram posts, flyers, YouTube thumbnails, or even business cards, which you can create. But let's get back to this in a later stage. So if you really want to learn about this Canva software, you can make use of this built-in library where you can get started and build awesome things in seconds. You also have some of the Discover tabs here where, let's say, I click on social media. There I can see free artworks. It's indicated with this free icon here. If we scroll through, maybe we get through, okay, some premium options here. So for example, if you're a designer or if you're a developer, you can upload your designs here and then get actually paid for it. So for example, we can search for, let's say, cover. There you can also see we have new artworks here, and this library is very, very large. You can filter if you want to choose the premium or free. But let's dive right into the creating process. So for example, we want to create a standard Pinterest pin. So we select Pinterest pin, or we can go here and select a Pinterest, and then it says Pinterest pin. They also have birthday pins, but that's just another layout. And what it does, in fact, it takes you to the templates page, but it's just a shortcut. So we have dozens of options here which we can choose. For example, I like this one. Looks very masculine, and it's very good brand. You see, you have the URL here, you have a bold headline, and yeah, it just flows into it. So for example, how can you edit this now? So for example, you just click in here, you can select the font here. You have premium fonts, you have regular fonts. So for example, if you want to use this, okay, it says you can get a pro version for 30 days, a free trial, and then switch to it. But let's stick to the free ones, for example. A good one is you can also click here, photos, you can browse the library here also. You can select video, so you can make video pins, etc. Create your own folders where you have your purchased things, you liked things, or even if in the pro version can create new folder. And also do some uploads here. For example, I have done some uploads here in this video which I used in the path. So for example, I use this photo and want to use it in here. Boom, we have it. So for example, we just have to edit this text here a bit. So for example, www.smartincomebuilders.com. Wonderful. Maybe which I can add a text here also. But if we are finished with it, just hit the download button. PNG, we have some options here, PNG, JPEG, etc. Click on download, and basically that's it. You saved it to your computer, you created your first artwork. Perfect. So let's dive into the options we also have. We can select, for example, We can share it directly to Facebook, do a YouTube presentation, or even share a link for someone else to edit it. So that's another cool feature I like at Canva, that you can really edit all these things in a team. So for example, I can create a team where I can put in some email addresses, and then I create a whole team out of it, and they can help me collaborate on the project itself, or even help me finishing it. So let's dive into the Pro options. So for example, if you want to try the Canva Pro, we have, of course, all the options of the free version, but also you have access to this brand kit. And this brand kit is really, really cool. You can design your own logos and then use them as a watermark. You have the Canva fonts, the premium fonts. You have access to the library, and it just makes the whole process a little bit easier and a little bit faster. So if you're really a power user and want to go really, really broad into this Canva software, try out the Pro version. It's not that kind of very expensive thing, So I think Canva Pro is really affordable, and it really gives you some really nice and niche features which you may want to use. But if you just use it on an occasion, then just stick with the free version. I've made an in-depth article between Canva Pro and Canva Free. Be sure to check out my page www.smartincomebuilders.com. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for further reviews. I will do my best. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button. See you next time. And if you want more, and if you like this video, be sure to hit the like button, hit the comments below, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.